Hey everybody, I'm Leann Forst, holistic health coach and certified essential oil coach and specialist. And today I wanted to talk to you about doTERRA's new Abode laundry pods. So I was pretty excited when they announced the entire Abode line, which you've probably heard about from other people, but today I'm here to talk to you about the laundry pods. And so this is probably one of the products I was the most excited about. And if you've been following along for a while, then you know that we one of the first steps to really maximizing your health is to reduce your toxic exposure. And that means to really reduce your chemical exposure, the chemicals that are in your surroundings, starting with your home first, because we now know that your we have more toxins indoors than we do outdoors, right? We're exposed to more through our personal care products and our cleaning products. And so one of the first steps I always recommend when I'm health coaching someone is for them to become a detective and look for those DNA disrupting chemicals that can also disrupt your immune system and your hormones. And really starting with your cleaning products first and then moving into personal care products and surroundings in your home environment. And so that's why I was excited when they announced the laundry pods, because this is really for the conscious consumer. And it uses natural enzymes to really deep clean your clothes and lift stains and keep your colors vibrant for your clothes. And they are in these little pods that you just throw in with your laundry. They're, of course, free from phosphates, phthalates, dyes, and chlorine. And so they really are going to be environmentally friendly. If that's something that yeah, that you're concerned about, I know that most people are these days. And it also has a great citrus scent, so it's going to leave your clothes feeling fresh. So you can get these now in your doTERRA wholesale account for $19.50 wholesale. And it comes in a bag of 45 pods, so you're going to get 45 loads out of the bag. So as always, if you have any questions, leave your comments below and have a great day. Thanks.